So friend, Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 17 series in a few months. The lineup, which could include the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is likely to come with notable hardware upgrades over their iPhone 16 counterparts. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to feature a new rear panel layout and a redesigned camera module. A new set of hands-on images have now surfaced online showcasing the rear design yet again, and the images shows a triple rear camera setup and a rectangular camera module, and a new post from Twitter Mason Bu shows of the design of the dummy unit of the iPhone 17 Pro, and the design seems the same as in previous leaks with a Google Pixel-like camera bar albeit wider. The hands-on images shows a larger camera island on the rear, and while the camera sensors are still arranged in the triangular pattern resembling the iPhone 16 Pro, the camera arrays covers the full width of the phone, and the LED flash and LiDAR sensors appear to be pushed to the right side, and the color of the iPhone 17 Pro dummy unit appears to be either grey or black with a glossy camera panel and a matte finish on the rest of the rear. And the other recent rumors surrounding the design of the iPhone 17 Pro have suggested an aluminum frame and a repositioned Apple logo, and Apple is rumored to move its logo to a lower position on the rear panel of the phone, and this design change is likely to make space for the new camera bar. And Apple's iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to come with a 6.3-inch display and is expected to be powered by an A19 Pro chip coupled with 12 GB of RAM, and it is tipped to feature a new vapor chamber cooling system. And the company is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max at the event in September. The lineup is also expected to feature a standard iPhone 17 and a new iPhone 17 Air model with a slim build that is likely to replace the iPhone Plus model. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.